Hi guys, welcome! Take some time to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon to see our future content as soon as it's uploaded. Give us a like and enjoy the video. Hello guys, and welcome to a new Zenbox video. Today we are doing an unboxing of our first Ryzen based laptop. This one is a pretty compelling budget offering and as such is capable of all sorts of things. But more on it in our full-on review. For now, let's move on to the unboxing, shall we? This laptop comes in a huge brown cardboard box, giving it some protection. The front side of the box has nothing special on, just this sticker. It's explaining some warranty terms, how to sort the packaging for the recycling, and there are some basic specifications on top. Here, on this side, there are some more information on the notebook. I just wish the camera would focus. Okay, there we go. As mentioned, specifications are shown here alongside the model number, serial number, and just the basic information in case you wanted to buy it. In this side, there is nothing special really, just the Ideapad branding. Like usually, the bottom side has nothing to show, so moving on. The top side is meh as well, just some branding and information on how to recycle the box. There is also the seal, sadly it's broken, so there's no knife this time, as the device was checked for defects during the purchase in the store. And let's open it up. It's kind of hard recording and holding the box to open it up, and all that one-handed. Opening up the box reveals the soft foam that protects the laptop. It's pretty thick and way better to absorb the impacts compared to the usual hard foam. Kudos to Lenovo for this. Now it's the laptop's turn. But for now we are going to put it aside in order to remove the rest of the box content. There's some paperwork and some more paperwork, and there's the second piece of that protective foam. Oh my god, some more paperwork. Damn it. When will it end? Finally. There's nothing else inside of the main compartment, so for now we are going to move on. First we are going to cover the paperwork to get rid of it. But don't take us the wrong way. Some of it is pretty important, it's just that there is a ton of it. This little booklet covers the radio frequency and a ton of rules and regulations that a certain manufacturer has to comply with in order for its device to be able to sell in a certain region. Next up is a quick guide showing us the content of the box, the basic setup, the connectivity and contact numbers in case something went wrong. It's very well illustrated, I like it a lot. This one is annoying, and it's basically a warning leaflet. The pre-installed software has to be updated. But since this laptop has none of the software, it's bye-bye. These two are rather important. It's the warranty leaflet and the instructions what to do in case the device is DOA, dead on arrival. Hold on to these, just in case. And finally, a plastic bag with the final piece of the paperwork. Let's open it up to see what's in it. And it's the safety and warranty guide in a few languages, but we are going to check out the one in English. This basically shows you everything you need to know about the safe use for the device and all of the warranty info. And coming to the meat and the potatoes of this video, the laptop itself. Removing the plastic bag reveals the top. It's grey. They call it platinum grey. There is just the Lenovo logo on the top left corner. Here there is a huge screen hinge covering almost the entire back. I really dig the color. It looks amazing. Camera ain't focusing again. This side contains all of the inputs and outputs, and there's plenty of that. Things like full-size LAN port, USB ports, HDMI, microphone and headphone port, USB Type-C port, and a full-on card reader. It's pretty sweet selection if you ask me. The opposite side has an optical drive, which may not occupy it for long. You'll see what we are talking about in a future video. This side also has a Kensington lock. Opening up the lid gives us the first impression as it gives some resistance. There won't be much of the screen wobble, which is a plus. The keyboard and the trackpad area is also grey, with darker contrast for the keyboard. The trackpad is on the smaller side, but it feels nice. The left and the right clicks are hidden under. The keyboard feels nice, at least at first, but more on it in our full-on review. Its standard quartz affair, it will vary on the region where this device is sold. The screen is a standard 15-inch size. It would be able to fit a bigger one if the bezels weren't so thick. There's a top-mounted webcam as well. Let's try to turn it on. Nope. It seems the laptop came without a charge. Sadly. And one more thing. This is a matte screen, and it has almost no reflection, as you can see. Last but not least is the charger. It comes in this small plastic bag, and it itself is rather small for an average one of these. It's fully made out of jet black plastic. We got the European style. On this side, you can check out some of its specifications, branding, and all of the certifications a charger like this has to comply with. Here you can see its serial number and the date it was manufactured. It's tied up with this velcro wrap, and the cable is pretty long. I would estimate about 2 meters or about 6.5 feet. And that's about it, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, toss us a like, share the video. By the way, tell us in the comments, do you use a notebook or a desktop PC? Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next one. Zenbox out.